Hello everyone. In last lecture, we have decided what we have understood earlier related to introduction to the course. And one point which I forgot to mention, let us mention that too, which is related to prompt engineering. Okay, and here I have to mention prompt engineering. Now, what we are going to do? We are going to use the ChatGPT tool to uh, get the data for related to this all this thing. So, first we will create new slide, and as a heading, we are placing what is AI and RLHF. Okay, just Control C is used for copy, and then after we will gonna paste here. Okay, so accordingly we will make this with as a all the slide titles. Let me do one thing, just select this thing and click here, click new slide and then paste. Again the same thing, creating a new GPT account. So actually for this topic we don't have any much data, so what we will do, we will just delete this thing, and instead of that we will use this prompt engineering. Okay, mistakenly I have added this slide here. So what I am going to do, I am dragging this file by selecting this and placing it at the end of the whole slide and paste here, and okay, done. So now let us copy this thing and bring some data from the ChatGPT. Actually we have already understand what is AI and RLHF. Although we know what we can do, we can type it here from by ourselves, but as we have the very good tool is available, so we are going to use that thing which is called as a ChatGPT. Okay, so let us paste this thing. What is AI and RLHF? It is going to be create a file as an image, but we don't require. So if we will write down this thing, so you can see that what it is giving. AI stands for Artificial Intelligence, a broad field of computer science focused on creating systems capable of performing tasks and so and so. And it is typing many thing. But and here it has typed whole paragraph for AI and again for RLHF. And again it is typing. So if you want to stop this thing, you can just stop here. So now what we are going to do, I am giving a prompt which I already mentioned you, that what is the prompt engineering. So we are going to utilize that best prompt engineering. Okay, so here I am typing, I am creating one presentation related to mastering ChatGPT and with PowerPoint presentation, in which I required data from you. I am giving few of the prompt. Whenever any spelling is there, don't worry, it will understand what we are going to writing. Okay, so now I required few words related to what is AI and RLHF. AI and RLHF reinforcement. Don't worry about the spelling mistake. Learning from human feedback. Just give only few key points, that is 2 to 3 lines, which I can take it and keep it in my presentation. Okay, enter. So now you can see the result. It will not type everything what we don't require at all, but it will give in a few languages only. So now see, here are the concept point for your presentation. AI involves creating computer system that can perform tasks requiring human intelligence, including learning, decision writing, and language understanding. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to Control C, and in our presentation, what let us paste this thing. And you can use here, see, you can see that there are three things are available. If you want to paste as a destination theme, which is what we have copied from ChatGPT, it will paste like that. Source mode formatting, continuation of our formatting, okay, and the text only, so we are going to just paste it as a text. So just we require only on only text. And for RLHF we are going to copying this thing, and then after control paste, okay. So basically, likewise, we have see RLM is training approach for AI that improves learning by incorporating human feedback and helping the AI to better understand and perform complex tasks aligned with the human preference. But here it has not kept. We have forgot to capture the this thing, so we will use this, and in the fact that Control C, Control V. Here on keep text only, you can see that bold is not taken at all. Okay. So these are the things we have taken. So likewise, I will take for all this thing. So basically, we are already discussing with the ChatGPT that we require data in few sentences. So from now onward, it will give in the few sentences. You can see that search engine. See, it is given in the few lines only. So we are going to whole thing copy and paste. Okay. You can see search engine software system designed to carry out web searches, which means to search the world wide web in a systematic way to particular information, a textual web search query. And AI refers to the simulation of human images that are programmed to think like human and mimic their access. AI can include learning, reasoning, and self the correction. Okay. Alternative options of AI. Let us copy and paste and enter. Now let us check the result. This time we have pasted the image too. So let us wait and check the result. So you can see that it seems that the image have uploaded doesn't contain any visual content, or it may be an error. So it is not getting capturing what we have pasted. So let us delete this thing, and alternative options of AI. No, we require alternative of ChatGPT. So we have stopped that part, and here we will write alternative of ChatGPT. See, basically, see, currently the data which is ChatGPT has is earlier one. So it is possible that it is not giving the real time answer. So these are the basic and main limitation of the ChatGPT, because I think it has the data on or before 2020-21, and after that it don't have any data. So that's why we are not getting a proper details. You can see that it is giving whatever the best detail it has available. But however, we can capture this thing, or we can leave this part, or you can paste it from yourself. Okay, so right now I am skipping this part, and now we will move forward. The let's give in few words related to prompt engineering. Okay, don't worry about the spelling mistake, I forgot to mention the G word. Prompt engineering, crafting individual text to effectively communicate with the AI latest control. You can read it out by pausing this video, but right now I'm not doing that part. Okay, so we have already captured the content related to different part. This is our first slide. And then after we have created three different sections. So what we are going to do, we will delete this thing, and here also we can mention directly it is a Bard or Gemini. Okay, so let us stop here, and we will discuss more thing in later video.